What's up, guys? It's August 12th, 2025. Gonna go through this breakdown kind of fast. It's a little bit late on my end. My work schedule switched up a little bit. I'm kind of working late shifts now because I want to trade RTH. And I still run to the bathroom and place trades all the time. So, I'm not really missing out too much on ETH, but I was really annoyed that I couldn't trade RTH. So, I got my work schedule to be more accommodating to the RTH schedule. So unfortunately, random days of the week, these videos will be dropping this late at night. It's like 11:30. It's like 11:25. It's 11:24. Anyways, this will be a quick one, guys. 2 weeks ago, we had a bear bar, and that got bought up, and now we're making new highs today. That's the weekly chart. This daily chart. Nice rally, deep pullback. The problem with this pullback is that it went below this bar. It would have been nice if this bear bar never happened. But anyways, it ended up being a 2-bar reversal. And bulls were so willing to buy. Well, we've had over there's been over 20 there's more than 20 bars over the EMA. So that means the first gap bar, which is this bear bar, is a better paid setup, and you can see that it worked out. If you bought this bar, you'd be in really good profits. I'm gonna go quick. I didn't trade my futures account because I took a couple of hits yesterday in trading range, but then I did trade my options account. I traded QQQs. Nasdaq is the same thing. I bought bar 8 and I got out. I think I got out here on this bear bar 55. I started work right around this cluster, so I think I got out here because that was a bear bar. When we have this kind of trend, we're looking for that first touch to be around bar 50, 51, 52, 53 of the EMA. And if it is, that's a good trend, and you can buy that for a scalp back to the recent swing. So it worked here, bar 69, buy bar 69, scalp back to the recent swing. Here, 49 came close to it, but then it ended up being around 63. You can buy 62 for a scalp back to the recent swing. The setup doesn't come too often because this is a trend day setup. But just be cognizant around bar 52, looking for that first touch. And that doesn't mean it's going to happen tomorrow. It already happened. So don't look for the setup tomorrow because you might buy a reversal. And that doesn't mean just randomly buy bar 52 if what you think is a strong trend day. I'm just saying, just add that to your toolbox that, hey, if we're trending this long up to like bar 45, 46, 47, there might be a good quick scalp to the recent swing. Worked out today. Trend days happen once or twice a month. Anyways, today's gonna be a quick one. Big gap up, follow through bars 1 and 2. Bulls that get trapped buying 2, buy more lower, and they get out at they get out for break even at this middle night, and then bears get their second leg 6 and 7. Bar 7 through 12, good rally, trying to get second leg, but it doesn't reach the 50% pullback, which is interesting because we like trending markets, but if it doesn't, but 50% pullbacks are entry. So from a I want to trade perspective, I don't get to trade. But from a trending perspective, that's great that bar 13 got bought up right away. Bulls saw bar 13 and was able to fade it. They made 1 hour before bears could. Then we have another rally, 14 through 22. That's 8 bars. There's a hidden leg here. There's a hidden leg there, so you could say leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, add a new high. But the market's trading pretty strong today. 23 is an inside bar, okay to get out of longs. 24 it's a bear bar, so bears want the reversal, but instead it gets bought up. All bear bars are getting bought up. We have gaps. There's a gap on Nasdaq. There's a gap here, gap here. So I know bears are just straight up getting trapped. The biggest bear bar, bar 3, did get followed through, but ended up being a second leg trap, and it was the start to the rally. We have another two legs here, leg 1, pull back leg 2, but on a higher time frame, this is 1 leg, and it gets its second leg here at 33 to 30, 37. It's a nice controlled. I don't know why, I just like the way this rally looks. It's just nice. The bars aren't too climactic. There's a 36 closes on slow, but it's a fractal pullback. 38 is the first pullback for this set of bars, but within the overall market, it's just a shallow pullback that gets bought up, and then you can see that bull has made 1R quickly. First bear channel, well, excluding the opening range, first 3 bars down is a better fade. Bears can't even get a continuation of having 3 bars in a row. 49 almost touches the EMA and the reverse is higher. Immediate pullback 50. Then we go for another rally 50 through 58. Sells off 4 bear bars in a row, touching the EMA. That's that fade. And then we kind of go slightly up to sideways for the rest of the day. So pretty cool day. Yeah, again, guys, this was a quick one. My work schedule changed. I changed my work schedule to work nights now because I really do want to trade RTH. And if I want to trade ETH, I'm just going to run to the bathroom. I don't care. My goal is to be a trader. It's not to work for a company. So I will take the opportunity to place a trade whenever I can. Guys, appreciate you guys bearing me. It's a quick one. It's 11:30 at night on my end. I still got to get up at 5:30 to prep for the markets because I like trading RTH. The moves are sometimes trading ETH, it goes so slow. Anyways, guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for understanding. I will talk to you tomorrow. I'm going to post this. I'll worry about the thumbnails later. If you learned something, share, show. Don't be a hoe. Bye.